So this is an example of my hand before the PRC and after the PRC. I'm going to use these x-rays to explain what exactly a proximal row carpectomy is. In my particular case, I had a problem with the lunate bone, which is right here. Now you can see the white area in here. That's indicating that the bone is dead. It is dried up and has not been fed blood properly over the last 10 or 15 years. And there's actually a fracture in there if you look closely. So because it's dead, the bone could not be repaired. Now there's many reasons for a PRC. That's my particular reason. But in order to take this bone out, you can't really just take the one bone out, because what will happen is this bone here will want to come down and this bone here will want to come down, and they'll all rub against each other. So what happens is the surgeon goes in and removes this row of bones, and then if you look over to this x-ray here, you will see what's left. So these three bones have been removed. So if we want to take another look at it and look at the two, let's have a look at the two comparison. Here we have the hand with all the bones, and here we have the hand with the row gone. So although it's a smiley face, it's not so happy. But that is what a proximal row carpectomy is. So you see what happens is a lot of people ask about how are you going to be able to use your hand after. Well, what's interesting is that when you bend your hand, it bends here and it also bends there. Okay, so this part here gives about 50% of the bending, and this part gives 50%. So when you take this row out, you're going to lose about 50% of the ability to bend your wrist, and that's why you're left with just this here.